Hey guys, it's Angela from Dragonfly Sales Urban Homestead, and I wanted to share with you our Azure order for June. Last month we didn't do one because it was a very small order and time just got away from us because we were on vacation. So I wanted to share what we did this month because we definitely stocked up a lot more this month. So let's just go ahead and jump right in and I'll show you what we did. First thing was we got some parchment baking sheets because I do a lot of baking, and that was $4.10 for 24 pre-cut sheets that are 13 by 16, so they'll fit perfect on the cookie sheets. And then because we started getting some veggies from our garden and we're doing excuse me, we're doing some canning, I tried to stock up on some of that. We got some crushed chili peppers, and those were $6.30 for a pound. I got a 4-color peppercorn mix, and that was $17.10 for a pound. So that was definitely one of our more expensive ones, but I wanted to go with the tricolor, especially for our pickles. And then to go with that too, we got the pickling spice, and that was $8.31 for a pound. And if you do pickle cucumbers, this is definitely a huge savings over the little bottles you would buy in the grocery store, because I did price compare on those. Now, Thai food is one of my favorite things, and so I got some of the gluten-free Thai peanut sauce, which is really great just to dip in even just grilled chicken, or it's even really good on steak too. And that was $3.79. And then I want to go over here to the rest of this until we get to the big stuff back there. We stocked up on some tomato paste again, and that was $6.42 for 3 cans of it, and it is jars of it, and it is organic and it's no salt added, so I really like that. And then this month we went ahead and did some coconut aminos, and I'm sharing some of these with my daughter, and I actually messed up. I didn't realize I ordered 2 different sizes, but these are $4.81 for the small 8-ounce. And then the 16.9 is definitely the better deal at $8.65. And we use coconut aminos in place of soy sauce, especially if you're doing like Whole30 or just eating clean, any of those. The coconut aminos are a great alternative to your soy sauce. We do it like for egg roll in a bowl and just anything that calls for soy sauce. Next was another one of my really huge purchases, and that was 16 fluid ounces of vanilla extract, organic, and that is $22.53, and pure vanilla extract is really expensive. Now, I'm actually making some of my own vanilla extract, but vanilla extract, to get it really good, takes months. So so I had to buy some, I've had mine for 3 months, so I needed some for my baking until we got there. And then I did get some of the raw wildflower honey, because again, as I've told you guys before, we're trying to start eating a lot more clean. And that was $11.74 for a 3-pound jar, so that should last us a long time. And then to start stocking up some more on my baking supplies, I got an 8-ounce can of the organic baking cocoa, and that's $7.52. And then when we were just in Kansas, we brought my cat back from Kansas. So we went ahead and stocked up on some cat food. We'll see how she likes that, because this is tuna and chicken mixed, and it's Nature's Greatest Foods. And it is I don't know that it's totally organic. That one I didn't do a whole lot of research on, but it's definitely a better alternative. Now, some of our big ones in the back, I wanted to start making some homemade granola bars for us to have to snack on. So I got slivered almonds, and those were $15.30. You guys have heard me joke before about the coconut. We got the fine shredded coconut last month, so I'll use that in our granola bars because, again, they were out of the medium shredded. Since I guess because of where we are on the truck, they're always out of the regular. And then we got poppy seeds, a pound for $2.75. I'll be using those just in various food dishes. And then I got the rolled oats so that we can do the granola bars, and that was $7.13 for a 5-pound bag. So that I thought was really good. And then just to have some granola to munch on until I get my others made and going, I got the super nutty granola, and that was $16.09 for a 5-pound. And I had seen really good reviews on that. And then we also got some quinoa, because I like quinoa instead of rice. And so that was $13.79 for a 5-pound bag of quinoa. And then the last thing we got was we got some lean ground beef. It's 80/20, but it is 100% grass-fed. And that was $25.49 or $25.39 for 3 pounds. So again, it is a little bit more pricey, but we're wanting to go to the grass-fed and just everything much more clean. So that was what we got this month. It was a much larger order. It was almost $200 for all of this, but we definitely wanted to start stocking up. So thanks for watching the video, and we will leave our referral link down. If you haven't tried Azure, I highly recommend it. It's such an easy process. You just create your account and you can add to your cart all month long. You just need to be very sure you know when your cutoff date is to order, and then you have to check out by that cutoff date. Otherwise, everything that's in your cart, you're not gonna get any of it. What I usually try to do is, as soon as I know some of the things for sure that I'm going to get in, then I go ahead and check out, because they don't charge you until your cutoff date. So you can add, subtract, and just keep working on your order all month. And for me, I find that's the much better alternative to do it, so that I don't forget about it. And then they give you your drop-off. Again, we are very, very fortunate. Our drop-off is only 10 minutes away. This was the first time the order's ever been late, but they did send us an email and told us it was gonna be 30 minutes late. But it's a great way to stock up. It's a great way to meet some people, and you can make friends with someone, because you have to be there right when your drop off is. But if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. And again, I'll leave our referral link. And we appreciate you guys watching our channel, and I hope that you subscribed and you hit like, and please share the video